Hello students, next see the question number 3rd of exercise 7.1. The question is AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. Show that CD bisects AB. So what they ask the question? AD and BC are equal perpendicular. This is AD and this is BC. AD and BC are equal perpendiculars. So equal का मतलब क्या है? दोनों साइड से लेंथ equal है. Equal perpendiculars means they bisect another line at 90 degree. मतलब एक लाइन इसको कट कर रही है 90 डिग्री पे perpendicular to line segment AB. So this is the line segment AB. It meets it at 90 degree. This is CD BC. BC perpendicular to AB and this is AD which is also perpendicular to line segment AB. ठीक है. और AD के BC it is also equal given. दोनों equal given है. Show that CD bisects AB. मतलब जब तुम C के D में join करोगे, when you join the CD, it bisects line segment AB. So bisect का मतलब it divided into two equal parts. It means you have to prove that AO is equal to OB. You have to show this parts equal. ठीक है. So first check करोगे तो सिर्फ दो triangles होंगे. You have to take triangles AOD and triangle BOC. You have to prove it congruent. तो सिर्फ दोनों को congruent से prove करना है. Alright. So first you can write in triangle AOD and triangle BOC. To prove to congruent the triangle, you have to take any three parts. So the first is this one. In triangle AOD and in triangle BOC, angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. So what is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. Angle AOD equal to angle BOC. Reason? Pair of vertically opposite angles. This is the first reason. The second is given here. AD is equal to BC. It is given in the question. AD and BC are equal perpendiculars. AD is equal to BC. Equal. Given. This is the second part. And the third is, we check here in this triangle, this angle is 90 degree, and in this triangle BOC, this is 90 degree. So you can write angle OAD is equal to angle OBC. Reason 90 degree each. Student, you have to write the reason first. उसी reasons लिखना जरूरी है, ठीक है? तो उसी में लिखोगे लोग. So check करो कि there are two angles, this one and one side AD and BC. So which criteria use here? Angle, side, angle. By ASC congruence rule, triangle is congruent. Triangle AOD congruent to triangle BOC. ठीक है? तो थ्री पार्ट्स there. First part is this one, vertically opposite angle. Second is this one, AD side equal to BC, and the third one is angle OAD and angle OBC, 90 degree each. So by ASC congruence rule, triangles are congruent. Now we have to take this OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB because OA is the part of this triangle AOD and this OB is part of this triangle BOC. You can take OA equal to OB. Equal reason by CBCD. CBCD means congruent part of the congruent triangle. तो सी congruent triangles को congruent कर चुके हैं. That's why ਅਸੀਂ इनका दोनों sides को भी equal लेंगे. अगर OA equal to OB, it means this is equal. OA equal to OB, it means this side CD bisect line segment AB. ठीक है? Bisect का मतलब क्या है? Equal करना. So check कर लो कि अगर OA थे OB equal नहीं, तो आप कह सकते हैं कि जो लाइन सेगमेंट CD है इस लाइन सेगमेंट को बाइसेक्ट कर देगा, मतलब टू इक्वल पार्ट्स के बीच डिवाइड कर देगा. सो यू कैन राइट हियर देयरफॉर CD bisects AB. That's good. So this is your question number 3rd. Next see the question number 4th. L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q. So see the given figure. These are two parallel lines L and second one is M. This is the the parallel line which is intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q. It means L parallel to M and P parallel to Q. Show that triangle ABC congruent to triangle CDE. So where these both parallel lines intersect each other at point A, B, C and D. When we join this AC, then the triangle ABC and triangle CDA, we have to show it congruent. So see, congruent show karna. Clear? So first we will write if N parallel to M and P parallel to Q, then what? If this line parallel to this one and this line parallel to this one, then ABCD is a parallelogram. Because in a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal also. So you can write AB, therefore ABCD is a parallelogram. Now next, AC is the what? AC is the diagonal of this parallelogram. AC is the diagonal of ABCD. AC is the diagonal. Now you can take this triangle in triangle ABC and triangle CDE. The first check here, if this line parallel to this one, then this line parallel to this one, then angle this one and this are equal. ठीक है, अगर चेक करो कि यहाँ दोनों लाइंस पैरेलल हैं, these lines are parallel, then this is what? This is the transversal. ठीक है, so R is parallel P parallel to Q, and this is the transversal. Then this angle is equal to this. So reason is alternate angles, pair of alternate angles. So this angle name is angle BAC is equal to angle BCA. Angle BAC equal to angle BCA. Reason is alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. Second one is, you can see here, this AC is common in both this triangle. AC is common in this triangle ABC and triangle CDA. So you can write here AC equal to AC. Reason common. And the third one is again same. If this line parallel to this one, if L parallel to M, then this is what? This is the transversal. Then the pair of this alternate angles are also equal. This one. ठीक है, अगर आप दोनों पैरेलल लाइंस हैं, तो this is transversal. Then these are also a pair of alternate angles. So name of angle is angle BCA. Angle BCA is equal to angle DAC. Angle DAC. So reason is again same, alternate angles. Now this angle, this is side, this is angle. Angle side angle. Angle side angle. By angle side angle congruence rule. Triangle which one? This one. And triangle ABC congruent to triangle CD. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, सो एंगल साइड एंगल की प्रॉपर्टी देना दूसरे ट्रायंगल्स में कॉन्ग्रुएंट कर सकते हैं। एंड स्टूडेंट वन थिंग मोर इन द लास्ट और थर्ड क्वेश्चन जेड़ा मैं रूल लिखा सीगा एंगल साइड एंगल, इट इज इनकरेक्ट। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਲਿਖੋਗੇ ਐਂਗਲ ਐਂਗਲ ਸਾਈਡ, ਇੱਥੇ ਬਾਈ ਮਿਸਟੇਕ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਐਂਗਲ ਸਾਈਡ ਐਂਗਲ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ। ਸੋ ਦ ਥਰਡ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦਾ ਰੂਲ ਇਜ਼ ਐਂਗਲ ਐਂਗਲ ਸਾਈਡ, AAS rule। ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। Next, question number 5. Line L is the bisector of an angle A. So, student, in the given figure, this is line L. It is the bisector of angle A. So, what is the meaning of bisector? It bisect means it divides this angle A into two equal parts. ठीक है, ये line L is angle A को divide कर रही है. It means it divides this angle into two equal parts. It means angle this one BAQ is equal to BAP. This is equal. Alright. And B is any point on L. B is any point on L. Then what? This line L, this line of a point that is B. B is any point line on L. BP and BQ are perpendicular from B to the arms of angle A. Then they ask from this point B they draw two perpendiculars. First one is BQ and second one is BP. ठीक है कि मतलब ਜਿਹੜੀ ਲਾਈਨ ਸੀ ਇਹ त्रिकोण arm, this arm L, from the point B we have to draw two perpendiculars. First one is BQ and the second one is BP. ठीक है, perpendicular means it intersect at 90 degree, मतलब वो 90 degree से वो meet कर रहे हैं. We have to show its two parts. The first part is triangle ABB congruent to triangle AQB. So first part we show करना है, show that this triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB. These two triangles are congruent. And the second part we have to show BP is equal to BQ, which means this BP equal to BQ. It means B is the equal distance from P and Q. The return P is equal distance from the arm of angle A. Arm means due the arms के angle AB and AQ, we have to show it equal distance from B point. Okay. So first we have to congruent the triangles. We have to make triangle in triangle APB and triangle AQB. We have to take any three of its parts equal. So the first is here you can check angle PAB equal to angle QAB. ठीक है, और दोनों एंगल्स की ने इक्वल ले, because it is given in the question that arm L bisect the angle A. कि जो arm से की L उस angle A को bisect कर रही है. That's why angle BAP equal to angle BAQ. What is the reason? Arm L bisect angle A. So this is the first part. Second is this one, AB. AB is common in both this triangle, in triangle APB and triangle AQB. So write AB equal to AB. Reason common. And the third one is already given. This angle is 90 degree and this is also 90. You can write angle BPA equal to angle BQA. Angle, or you can write APB equal to angle AQB. It is also given BP and BQ are perpendiculars from B. Alright, result 90 degree each. So students check karo. The first one is angle, second one is side, and third one is also angle. So you can write here angle, side by AAS congruence rule. By AAS congruence rule, triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB. This is the first part, and in the second part you have to show BP equal to BQ. Students will check here, BP is the part of this triangle APB and BQ is the part of this triangle AQB. We already proved congruent this triangle. Now you can take BP equal to BQ. The reason is CPCT. By CPCT. It means congruent part of the congruent triangle. So that's why B is equal distance from this point P and point Q. So student, this is your question number 5th. Thank you.